Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a CNAME record in Crazy Domains. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining and doing. So first, you will log into your Crazy Domains account and then go ahead and click this back icon right here. And what you will do is either click My Domains if it is visible on your version. But if it's not, then just go ahead and click Hosting. And what you will do is scroll down and then you will see DNS Hosting. So just go ahead and click that. And now that we're here, what you will do is click activate now, and then it will lead you here. So what you will do is either tap add record if it is visible for you, and then you will choose your CNAME, and then now you will enter your host name and enter target URL. And after that, you will just have to save changes or activate, and then you will verify propagation, and then the DNS will be updated. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.